my life is more important than your life.
No.
That's why I always consider my life more
No,
important
no,
than anybody. That's why I will not lie to you.
Hindi.
That's why.
Hindi.
Otherwise, I won't believe it.
Hindi, syempre that is your job. Di ba? You have to protect the people.
With that in mind, see, ayaw dahil my life is more important than anybody else.
Oh.
So that's why,
Kaya nga yun din ang ano nila, logic nila eh. Importante din yung buhay nila, kaya nga sila bababa. And in the first place, 2 oras na ho kayo na delay.
kami sa Mumbai, 10 hours kami na delay.
Oh. Pero pinapababa niyo yung pasahero.
Hindi, kasi bawal kung baba pa tayo dito.
Oh, depende kasi kung saan kayo na naka-encounter ng problem. Kung may possibility din bumaba while the aircraft is being burden, then that's
As far as connecting flights, usually hindi ko ma-assure kasi grounding. Binibigyan ng hotel ng PAL. Pero, kasi
yes. Dapat naman talaga eh. Kasi may war zone kung